The discussion on the no-confidence motion continued in the Lok Sabha today. The lower house of parliament took up the motion for discussion yesterday. The nationwide Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign will be launched today to pay tribute to the brave hearts who laid down their lives for the country. A parliamentary committee has recommended bringing legislation to make it mandatory for Supreme Court and High Court judges to declare their property returns on an annual basis. BJP MPs today demonstrated in front of Mahatma Gandhi statue in Parliament Complex on the occasion of the 81st anniversary of the Quit India movement. In cricket, India defeated West Indies by 7 wickets in the third T20 International at Providence Stadium in Guyana last night.